Don't risk damaging fuel system components with a pair of pliers. Make sure you have the right tool for the job. The XDP WIF Wrench is a must-have in the toolbox of any GM 6.6 liter Duramax owner. The XDP WIF Wrench is specially designed to perfectly fit the factory water and fuel sensor, commonly referred to as the WIF sensor. As an added bonus, the other end of the wrench fits the slotted air bleeder screw, so you could easily re-prime the fuel system after installing a new fuel filter. Each wrench is precision machined from T6061 aluminum and features a black anodized finish for aesthetics and corrosion resistance. To find out more about the XDP Duramax WIF Wrench, check out xdp.com or find a local dealer near you.